half of all car seats are put in wrong. Yikes! You didn't know that? That's why you need a Brictex car seat, because Brictex is the only one with QuickTight. That makes putting it in super easy and super reliable, which means it's super safe. Let's do this. Twist, lift, buckle, click. Easy peasy. No wiggle room. Snuggle little bug. Okay, where are we going?
3 out of 4 child car seats are installed incorrectly. But when you install a Britex car seat featuring QuickTight, you'll know it's right. Now every mom, dad, and grandparent will experience the confidence that comes with a secure install in every car, every time.
Okay guys, ready to go.
QuickTight from Britex, the leader in safety technology, changing car seat installation forever.